Shri Bhagwati, manufacture customized, sterile vial labeling machine. A sterile vial labeling machine with vision camera inspection is an automated system designed to label vials in a sterile environment while ensuring the accuracy and quality of the labeling process through advanced vision inspection technology. Vial labeling machine. Label applicator. This component automatically applies pre-printed labels to vials. The machine can handle a range of vial sizes and label types. Conveyor system. Vials are transported through the machine on a conveyor, which positions each vial for labeling and inspection. Vision camera inspection system. High-resolution cameras. The machine is equipped with cameras that capture images of each vial and its label. Software algorithms. The captured images are analyzed in real time using image processing algorithms to verify that the label is correctly applied, legible, and free from defects, such as smudging, misalignment, or incorrect information. Barcode, QR code verification. If the label includes a barcode or QR code, the system ensures it is correctly printed and scannable. Process workflow. While loading, vials are loaded onto the conveyor system either manually or automatically. Label application. The machine applies a label to each vial with precision. Vision inspection. As the vial moves forward, the vision camera captures images of the labeled vial. Quality check. The inspection system analyzes the images for label accuracy, positioning, and readability. Rejection of defects. If any defects are detected, the machine automatically rejects the faulty vial by diverting it from the main production line. Collection. The correctly labeled and inspected vials are collected at the end of the conveyor system. Applications. Pharmaceutical manufacturing, vaccines, injectable drugs. Biotechnology companies. Research laboratories that require precise and sterile labeling of. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.